In this lesson, we will review the loan-to-value ratio, which is used by lenders to help determine the maximum loan amount on a property. The loan-to-value ratio, also known as LTV, is the ratio of debt to the value of the property. It is important to note that the value used in the LTV calculation is based on the sales price/contract price, or the appraised value, whichever is less. Lenders use the lesser of the two values to help reduce their risk on the loan. The formula for LTV reads as such: LTV equals loan amount divided by value of property. What this formula shows us is that the higher the LTV, the lower the down payment, and vice versa. Let's go over a few examples to help illustrate how LTV is used in a residential transaction. Example 1. Amber is looking to obtain a loan to purchase a new house. The contract price is $410,000, but the property was appraised for $425,000. What is the LTV if the lender agrees to give Amber a $328,000 loan? Since LTV equals the loan amount divided by the value of the property, and the lender will use the lesser of the two values, we can use the following formula. LTV equals $328,000 divided by $410,000 equals 0.80, or 80%. Example 2. A property is under contract for $520,000, but the appraisal came back at only $490,000. What is the maximum loan amount a lender will provide using a 70% LTV? Once again, we have to use the lesser of the two values. Since the appraisal came in lower than the contract price, we must apply the LTV for $490,000. To find the answer, we simply multiply 70%, which is the LTV, by $490,000. $490,000 times 0.70 equals $343,000. Example 3. A lender is offering a buyer a loan with an LTV of 85%. Assuming the contract price and appraised value are equal, what is the value of the property if the loan amounts to $280,500? To find the answer, we must divide the loan amount by the LTV. $280,500 divided by 0.85 equals $330,000. We can check the answer by simply multiplying the LTV by the value. $330,000 times 0.80 equals $280,500. Let's now use the LTV formula to determine the down payment on a property. Example 4. Justin is looking to purchase a property for $260,000. The appraisal came back at $265,000. If the lender is willing to offer a 75% LTV, how much of a down payment is required by Justin? Step 1. Determine the maximum loan amount. To find the loan amount, simply multiply the lesser of the two values by the LTV. This equals $260,000 times 0.75 equals $195,000. Step 2. Subtract the loan amount from the contract price. $260,000 minus $195,000 equals $65,000. Key takeaways. Remember to always use the lesser of the sales price or appraised value. The higher the LTV, the lower the down payment.